Day 55 of my weight loss journey. I've been struggling with my mind lately because I know sometimes when I look at the mirror, I see some improvements, but sometimes your brain does say that, is this enough? Why it's slow? We're doing this every day, but things are going slow. The weak mind is always telling me that, and to battle that is just to keep moving forward, keep doing things, even though the progress is slow. At least we're still moving every day, we're still breathing, we're still making sure we're doing some workout, even though sometimes it is not intense, but every day I'm doing walks, and that's good, and I'm doing simple workouts. So yeah, that's how I battle my mind on saying negative stuff. Excited on what will become when it's day 100 or day 365. So let's keep that idea, keeps me moving forward. So excited on what I will be on that time. But in order to achieve that, I just need to keep moving. From being consistent, keep on improving. That is the second thing. So I think on consistency, we have the right mindset. On improving, that's the next upgrade of my mindset. My workout is just 5 minutes of shadow boxing and the normal 3 sets of squats and 19 repetitions. It gave me a lot of set today, so I think it is good. So maybe I can start again with the plyometric. Yeah, that's day 55. See you on day 56.